Good afternoon, you guys. Happy 4th of July. I'm out here and it feels like a heat wave. Hubby putting some stuff on the grill. Bless his heart, cause I can't do it. I'm not staying out here. I can't stay out here. It's just too hot for me. So he cooking on the grill for us. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what he cooking. But I hope everybody having a blessed day and be safe out there because it's just too hot to be outside. I wish I could be at somebody's beach somewhere around some water. Yeah, he cooking on the grill. Some ribs and stuff for us, some chicken. Yeah, so stay tuned. But I got to get in the house because it is hot out here. Y'all, it is so hot out here, your brains will fry. But I'm ready to look at these watermelons before I go back in. But y'all stay tuned. Happy 4th of July again. Hold on. Y'all look at that. Whew. It tastes good, but right then, it was so hot. Yeah. Tastes good though. But I got to hurry up, get back in the house. That's how everything came out. Good. Everything came out. Looks good. All right. We out here watching the fireworks and the kids want to keep a lot of noise. Y'all see that?
That's pretty.
TJ gets scared now.
It scared me too. It's loud. And what we got scared.
It ain't no need to cry.
That's because when they shoot up, they look like fire, but then they start to
TJ, chill out. It's just the fireworks. Look.
Okay, TJ. It's okay. I think this is the first time seeing fireworks. No. You scared?
Well, you want to go back inside?
It ain't gonna hurt you.
Okay, Logan.
Me and Dada used to like firecrackers in the yard. There's another one.
They ready to do another one.
Yes,
Y'all be quiet. It's y'all see it?
No.
It's good to go.
Oh. Now that's what I call I think I saw it.
That must be it, y'all. I'm currently in Walmart. They changing everything in this Walmart too. I got to get a few things. Come in here, get a few things out of Walmart. Keep going, y'all. Keep walking. They changing around here. Come down here, get some jam. Oh, and jam. They changed Walmart around like crazy. They changed this around like crazy. Cause this used to be the hair wall. Oh gosh, everything changed. Even the registers. Let me see what I want. Jam. Hey, I haven't got no jam in here. I need the orange.
This?
No, I don't like that kind. Yeah. That one $6.48. Y'all please excuse my video right here at the slow motion part. I did not know it was moving in slow motion at the time. But I found out when I started editing my video. So I deleted a lot out. So forgive me for that. But please like, comment, and subscribe though. I'll find you some outfits. You have changed so much in Walmart. Oh. You know what? They got some crayons in here for 50 cents. And these ones they always need for school. So
Mommy,
I'll get 5 boxes.
Mommy, they have markers.
I ain't getting the markers right now. 50 cents. Whew, tell you the truth. They changed everything in here. When I say everything, I mean everything. Look at these paper plates right here for $5.42. Yes, Tony. I'm no, not today. On the other aisle. I need some lunch wrap. This all I'm getting. This all. They remodeling this whole Walmart inside. And they changing everything. Even the registers and everything. What do you want to buy? Huh? Over. These all the kids today. Birthday girl tomorrow. Should be how old?
6.
Yeah, 6 years old.
Mom.
Yes, Lane. I'm gonna get a mango juice. Get the mango juice for me, Tony.
2. Can we get
Don't,
2?
hold on. Don't waste it.
Mommy, can we get?
She is really trying to carry this mango juice for me. No, I'm not letting go of this. We are leaving out of here. Going to this register.
The baby calling you.
Yes, TJ. Had to come and get my baby his favorite cookies. We at the register crying for some cookies. In the Chinese restaurant room for my food. Yes, TJ. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.